Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to view WhatsApp status without being seen. If you're using WhatsApp and now you want to view the WhatsApp status without being seen, so let's see how can you do that. So the very first thing, you just have to open your WhatsApp app, and here simply go to your settings in the bottom right corner and then select privacy from here, and from here you just have to look for the setting which called read receipts. Once you find, you just have to disable the toggle, just turn it off, and once you have turned off read receipt, now you can easily view anyone's WhatsApp status and the other person will not get any notification until you like the status. So you have to make sure that you are watching the status but you don't have to like that, and once you have watched, the other person will not give any seen notification. So in this way you can easily view anyone's WhatsApp status without being seen. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.